Hey guys, so we are doing maintenance today as a prep for my LA trip. As you can see, we are starting with testing the wax and we will be doing underarms first, then legs. I thought this was a perfect way to update you guys with what's been going on as well as show you guys another wax tutorial slash routine. I've already had one of these on my channel. If you haven't seen it before, you can definitely check it out. I'll put it in the description box below. Essentially what I'm doing here is just making sure the wax is warm enough. So there's been a lot of stuff going on lately that has definitely pivoted me off of my filming schedule, and I definitely apologize. I have just been doing so much with work and it's been draining me. And then I've also just been trying to find new and different ways to continue to talk about skincare and how you should take care of your skin, or how to take care of your skin, and just like different things that I'm learning and seeing out in the world to share with you guys. And one of my favorite things, of course, before a trip is prep. I just like taking the time to myself to really prep myself, whether that be waxing my legs or doing a facial or doing my underarms. I just like that time to just sit there and self-reflect on what I'm about to do, think about how many trips I've been on and how many I want to go on. So this is why I really enjoy that time to myself. I know most girlies go get their nails done, they go get their hair done, their lashes done, and that is all great and beautiful. I've done those things too, but ever since I became an esthetician, I just learned, the proper ways to do things myself and just work on myself. So that's what I do. Don't get me wrong, you can still have those days where you go and do a bunch of things for yourself. By going to salons and everything, but I really do just like the peacefulness in my room. I did mess up a little bit when I put that wax way too high up on my arm, but that's okay. It came right off. It's not that big of a deal. And this wax pot that I use is personal to me, so that means I don't share it with anybody. So if I go back in the pot as double dipping or whatever, I am the only one that uses it and I'm the only one that cleans it. So yeah, we are ripping this piece. I've been doing really good with keeping up with my waxes, so it's not really painful anymore, and the hairs come out pretty fast. They stay pretty short and they are very thin. They're a lot thinner than when I started doing this. And I've been doing my own waxes for about 2.5 years now. I want to say 3 because I did get my license in 2021, but I got it towards the end of 2021. So yeah. Sorry if you guys hear my voice a little bit raspy. I went to a concert last night and I was definitely singing my heart out, but I wanted to make sure that you guys got this voiceover and that you guys knew what I was really up to. So I do have a summer filming schedule that I'm working on, and if you guys want to see anything in particular, definitely comment it down below. Definitely reach out to me on my social media and let me know, because otherwise I'm just going to keep posting what I want to post and I'm not going to know what you guys want to see. So yeah, besides the likes and viewership that you guys give me, that's about it. There definitely will be a LA vlog coming out. I plan to bring my camera. I plan to take pictures, everything. This is a family trip. This was our family destination this year. And then I do have some more trips on my own that I will also be showing you guys as well. I also have gotten into more short form content recently, and you'll also see some clips and things on there as well. So definitely make sure you are on my Instagram at Alana J with 3 underscores, and it's the same name for my TikTok as well. So as you guys can see, we're moving on to my leg. The armpits are all done. And I just love this this viewer point that you guys see where it was like blurry in the background, but like you saw how vibrant the wax looked going on my leg. I thought that looked so cool. I just love the visual. I don't know. I hope you guys like it too. I was just really trying to get it done and make sure you guys saw what I was doing. So with the legs, I like to go in 3 parts or 3 sections. It makes it easier, it makes it faster, and it makes me be able to move on to the next leg. I don't go all the way up my thigh. Don't really need to. So it really is just lower leg area that you guys will see. I hope you guys are enjoying my self-care content, my self-care series content. It's not even a series. It really is what my channel has changed into. I mean, from the beginning, my channel was always, finding some way to do things for yourself, whether that be planning an outfit, finding sneaker sizes that work for you so you get the best sneakers. We're moving on to nails, guys. Legs are all done. I love doing my nails by myself as well. What's it called? Side tracking. I love doing my nails as well. I've been doing them for about 2 years on my own as well too. But back to what I was saying about just how my channel has just gravitated towards this DIY self-care, taking care of myself in different ways, elevating my lifestyle type of ways. I love doing that, and I've always been about that, just in different forms. Like, I've always wanted to elevate my wardrobe, and so that's why you guys saw different fashion hauls and things like that. And then with my hair, and I did some little hair videos for you guys. It wasn't a lot, but I wanted to just show you guys what my life was, because that's what my channel is my life as well as my inner life. And my inner life is what I've been showing more lately, and that's how I take care of myself, how I just connect with myself. And one of the ways I do that is through my skincare, through the different facial maintenances that I have, through anti-aging routines, hydration routines, things like that is how I connect with my inner self and just make my inner self so happy. So I hope you guys are enjoying that and enjoy the message from it. I love this shape on my nails, the square, sharp square. I love it so much. It looks so pretty. Most of my nail products are by Beetles. Disclaimer, I have heard about the different conditions that can come from using Beetles products. Personally, I have not had any of those conditions occur. I do pretty well with keeping the gel off of my skin and off of my natural nail. That's what I find I like so much about Gel X, is that with Gel X you have that full length tip, I believe is what they call it, and you don't have any of your natural nails showing. So that way your natural nail is always protected, but not in the way that nail salons wanted us to believe that acrylics were protecting our nails. Acrylics, they never completely destroyed my nails when I got them, but I did realize that the nail bed was just so much weaker when I would have acrylics. I would tend to take breaks and stuff, and do different things like that. Gel X, I don't need to take breaks from Gel X. My nail beds are so strong, they're so healthy, they look really good, and it takes little to no time to take Gel X off if you want to and just switch it up. Most of my sets that I do last about 3 to 4 weeks, especially when I have just gotten a new bottle of glue. I realized one of my old bottles of glue definitely had my sets lasting about 1 to 2 weeks. So definitely make sure you have a new bottle of glue or a Neewer bottle of glue, because that will have your set lasting way longer. I also am very minimal with my nail designs and with the colors and things like that. I am a pink and neutral girly, okay? I don't really do anything outside of that, so for me to do my own nails myself, it comes easily because a solid pink color on my nails looks so pretty to me. It's so aesthetically pleasing, goes with every outfit look, and it just makes me happy. So why not? I don't always have to get, all the different designs and things like that. If I want some gems and rhinestones, I know how to do that too, girl. I have some gems, I have some bows, I have some rhinestones. Like, I'm good to go if I need to do that. If I want to do like a French tip, I like to do the V-shaped French tip on my nails. I feel like it fits really well on my fingers. I never really liked the half moon French tip, the OG. Never really liked that. But the V shape, I love it. I feel like it looks so classy on my nails. And I learned how to do that as well with different practice and just taking my time. So if I need to do that, I will do it. If I just need a solid color, I will do that too. It is just really nice to find things that I love to do. Like, y'all saw my nails? They look so good. They look so good. So, yeah, your girl has just been diving more into herself. And that's really what it's been about. I've been preparing for these trips. I've been preparing for new chapters in my life. And, yeah. But don't worry, I haven't left y'all. I am getting back to the YouTube game. And I'm very, very excited for what's to come. But look at my nails, guys. They are all done. My legs are done. My armpits are done. I am ready for my LA trip. I am just so excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Final look at my nails because I love this pink color. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.